everyone, welcome to today's video. As you can see, we are opening up the Eczema sample store subscription. This is a seasonal subscription. So it normally costs $49 per season, but right now on their website it says there's a sale for $44. And I have a non-affiliated code to save you $15 on your box. I believe that's still active. I will double check by the time this video is posted. But yeah, so you get 10 to 20 samples at least in this box every season, and it's really great because a lot of these products are really expensive, and when you have eczema or dry skin, it's really hard to find products that work for you. When you have sensitive skin, it's just hard in general, so even if you don't have eczema, this is great for anyone that has any skin issues. And also if you're just someone that's trying to avoid using fragrances or anything like that in your skincare as well, because you can develop intolerance to that as you get older. I know my aunt Kathleen, she recently had a skin issue and she was told she might have eczema, but now she uses products that are made for eczema, so I will definitely be passing this information on to her. I actually already told her about the box when I found out recently. But yeah, so this is kindly sent to me free for review, not sponsored, non-affiliated, or anything like that. Super cute. They put the little sticker on there. Thank you so much. So yeah, let's get this open and see what we have inside. So this is the fall box. Oh my God, I forgot how they have this. So cute. I forgot about this too. This is amazing. So on here, it has their fall eczema box packing list, and it lists all the items that come inside. And you get to rate them so you can remember how they work for you. This is great because when you try all these items and sometimes you can forget or you accidentally like toss out the packaging or something like that. So you can rate it 5 stars. Oh, I see something I'm really excited about because I actually have sensitive skin. I don't have eczema, but I do like get really irritated if I use any like laundry detergent with any fragrance and stuff like that. So I try and avoid any fragrance as much as I can. It's kind of hard these days, isn't it? How cute is this tissue? So it's jam-packed with stuff. It says fall box. I love how they have special tissue paper and stickers. So let's see what's in this little baggie here. Got some samples in here. You can sometimes get full-size items too. I didn't mention that in the beginning. Oops. I'm just going to take everything out of this bag and then show you one by one. So the packets we have here are a new item by Theraplex, and it's their AIM Anti-Itch Moisturizing Cream. It has hydrocortisone 1% for maximum strength relief for rashes and itching flare-ups caused by eczema, psoriasis, or seborrheic, I should know how to say this, seborrheic dermatitis. So it's like your oil glands, I think. But yeah, we have 3 packets here. This is nice. You can keep it in your bag if you have a flare-up on the go. And then by Clear Oil Control Pure Clarifying Face and Body Wash. It's free of sulfates, dyes, gluten, parabens, fragrance, formaldehyde, salicylates for sensitive skin, normal, and oily skin. So really all skin types, it looks like. Nice. And then we have a few of these Vanny creams. I've used these before and I like them. So we have 3 of the same. Let's see. This is their Vanny Cream Moisturizing Cream for sensitive skin. And like all these products, we have dyes, fragrance, masking fragrance, lanolin, parabens, and formaldehyde. Oops. So that was everything that came in that bag. Let's keep going. We have shampoo and conditioner here. This is great for people who have irritated scalps. So unscented, plain products is the brand, vegan, cruelty-free, biodegradable formula, sulfate-free, palm oil-free, kid-safe. I love that it's in this aluminum packaging too. It says this bottle can be refilled with our full-size bottles. Awesome. Next, let's get this out of the bag. Oh my God, look at these full-size products left in here. Awesome. So it says samples, but you get more than samples. This is by Bauman's Skin Salvation All Natural Moisturizer for Dry and Itchy Skin. So it's a daily moisturizing cream. It's 99% natural. There's a code here, 20% off your first order. Made by a dermatologist or dermatologist approved. So nice. This is another thing that's perfect for your bag. I love how they stuck on expiration on there. So nice samples don't. And how this is great. I don't know if I've tried this kind. I've tried other like free clear, like free of perfumes, free of dyes and all of that for my laundry detergent. I honestly can't remember what kind I have right now, but I'm glad to have more. So this is for one load. So you can try it out to make sure it doesn't irritate you. Because I swear, like, do you guys ever like sleep in hotel beds and get like rashes because they use bleach and stuff like that? Like, I need to have stuff like this. And this works warm and cold. Awesome. And for top and front loader laundry. Yay. I have heard, I think this is the kind my aunt uses all. So let's move on. The next item by Waxaline, Soothing Botanical Jelly. How cute is that little bee? It's natural. Therapeutic ointment, moisturize, protect, and nurture dry skin. Patented waterproof barrier, won't clog pores, multi-purpose. I love using petroleum jelly items. Like, I sometimes use it like for chafing if I'm like going out, working out in short shorts or something. Oh my God, side note, I went out in shorts today for a walk and it was like 57 degrees. I didn't realize it. It's like the coldest it's been in Florida. And I feel like I am such a Floridian now that I'm getting cold at that temperature. But anyways, so great, yeah, look at all the uses you can use this stuff for. Dry skin, lips, face, cuticles, elbows, hair, scars, cracks, calluses, feet, babies, makeup. Yeah, I heard it's good to get off makeup, right? I like using this on my lips too. But aftershave, sports, anti-chafe, yeah. After sun, travel, households, pets, and more. Yeah, I think you can put this on your pet's paws if they have paw issues. Oh, I'm so excited to get another one of these. These are so smart. You guys remember when I first got one? I was like, hell yeah, this is great. They're called spatties. Extend your beauty, get to the bottom of it. So you can, like, little spatula to get into your bottles when you can't, like, oh my God, what am I trying to say? When you can't, like, reach in or there's some left, you don't want to waste it. These are so awesome. Multi-purpose. It's 6 inches long. Yeah, no more wasted product. Flexible tip, does not absorb the product. Get to all the hard to reach places. I'm so excited. I love this. I don't even know where mine went. You can use it to clean out other things too. This is like such a handy little tool. And then we have by Sarna, Hydrocortisone Foam, 1%. Eczema Relief Anti-Itch Whipped Foam. Oh, I've never tried this type of formula. This is a new product too, which is cool. Oh, I think the last product, or one of the last products is new as well. Fast absorbing, lightweight, maximum strength formula for sensitive skin. So this is providing fast, soothing relief from eczema, inflammation, redness, itch, and more. Again, no parabens, dyes, or fragrance. Cool. I've never tried a foaming item for this. That's great. This is the other new product I was saying by Cetaphil, which is a very popular brand that's recommended by dermatologists, probably because it's just easily accessible at drugstores, you know. But it can be kind of expensive. That's great. It's in this box. So this is their Eczema Restoraderm Itch Relief Gel. I love that we got like petroleum jelly, the gel, foam, moisturizer, like all different types of methods of application or different like forms of it. So that's great so you can see what works best for you too. So this is in the relieve section. So they must have a full line for relieve, repair, and protect. Instantly soothes skin and relieves itch up to 8 hours. It's made with skin protectant colloidal oatmeal, microbiome, gently add resol. That's like some patented thing they have. It's steroid free and it is accepted by the National Eczema Association. Awesome. A soothing gel with cool touch applicator, clinically proven to provide instant and lasting relief to help break the itch scratch cycle during eczema flare-ups. This is awesome. And then, last but not least, I think I've tried this brand before. Isn't the packaging so cute? This is Snow Fox Skincare Herbal Youth Mask. Firming hydration for dry and mature skin types. 100% organic cotton, bleach-free, and biodegradable mask. Nice. This one isn't like targeted for eczema, people with eczema, but it works for them because it's free of, look at all these things it's free of. That's awesome. And it's made with super herbs, ginseng, olive leaf, centella, chlorella, algae, and oat extract. It hydrates and firms your skin. Free of animal ingredients, all the sulfates and stuff, talc, mint, palm oil, fragrances. Yeah, this is perfect. I think that's really great they include this. You can still use fun things like masks, and it's so cute. My God, I love the packaging. But that was everything, you guys. We got a lot of stuff. Full-size items. And some of these brands I know are expensive, like Cetaphil. So, yeah, foam, ointment, gel, moisturizer, cleanser. And I mean, I'm stoked about this spatty. And then we got stuff for your hair. It's all different types. Yeah, and we have like a balm too. Well, jackets, this is super awesome. So yeah, if you suffer from any type of skin condition that's sensitive, causes sensitive skin, I think this is a great box to try out, or if you know anyone that does, especially when we're getting into cooler months. I know sometimes it can get worse for people, but really this could be a full year thing. But anyways, I will link them down below. Thanks again, Eczema Sample Store, for sending this to me. I think your box is great. I love the variety in here. And I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here and watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Have a great night or day. I love you so much. Bye.